GK questions and answers on Indian Geography Part 2. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following states? Right answer is Odisha. The state of India through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Right answer is Jharkhand. The southernmost point of the mainland of India is. Right answer is Indira Point. Which is the most remote place in the south of India? Right answer is Indira Point. According to ancient Indian geographical beliefs, India was a part of which country? Right answer is Jambu Island. The normative time of India is the local time of the place which is situated near at. Right answer is Allahabad. What is the difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich time? Right answer is 5 hours 30 minutes. What is the distance of the far southern part of India from equator? Right answer is 876 km. What is the length of terrestrial boundary of India? Right answer is 15,200 km. What is the length of coastline of India including the island? Right answer is 7,516.5 km. What is the length of north to south coast of India? Right answer is 3,214 kilometers. What is the length of India from east to west? Right answer is 2,933 kilometers. The length of the coastline of India is. Right answer is 6,100 kilometers. The area of India is what a total geographical area of the world? Right answer is 2.4%. What is the percentage of total area of India comes under the mountainous region? Right answer is 10.7%. What percentage of land area of India is covered by mountains and hills? Right answer is 29.3%. What percentage of the land of the whole India is found on the extent of plateau? Right answer is 27.7%. What percentage of the whole of India is covered by the extension of plain? Right answer is 43%. How many nautical miles from the sea in the territorial waters of India? Right answer is 12 miles. Contiguous zone of India is up to how many nautical miles beyond the territorial waters? Right answer is 24 miles. How many nautical miles is the exclusive economic zone of India beyond the enclosed area? Right answer is 200 miles. Another name of the eastern coastal plain is. Right answer is Coromandel Coastal Plain. Who prepares the geographical maps of India? Right answer is Survey of India. In which hemisphere is Jharkhand located? Right answer is North Hemisphere. Which of the following is a volcanic island in India? Right answer is Baron Red. How many oceans are found in the Indian territory? Right answer is 1. Which one of the following is Coral Island group of India? Right answer is Lakshadweep. Which one of the following of the states of India indicates the easternmost and westernmost state in a pair? Right answer is Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. The northern part of the west coast of India is known as. Right answer is Konkan Coast. The Gulf of Mannar and the Pak Strait are between India and whom? Right answer is Sri Lanka.